Hey guys, we're going to do a little different video this week. We're going to do an unboxing, reveal, and a install. It's called a FITCAMX. We are going to put this on my 2021 Toyota Tundra, and let's see what's in the box. Okay, here we go. Take the lid off. Try to get the freaking lid off with one hand. Put it aside. We got packaging, a little foam thing here, and all nice and safe. Look at this. It's really good packaging. And just give you a background, this is our third one for FITCAMX, and basically what it does is it replaces the thing behind your mirror to make it look like factory OEM. So let's pull all this out. Yeah, we don't need that. So here's some packages. You got a package here. And this is for the Toyota 2021 Toyota. I'm not sure what year it is, but if you go on their website, which I'll have in the description, it'll tell you. Now this isn't just for Toyota. Even though we bought 3 Toyotas and we used them in all 3 Toyotas, and it's really nice because if anybody knows me, I hate wires hanging down dangling in my car. I like factory looking stuff. And this gives you the factory. You plug it in, it comes with an SD card, everything. Well, I'll show you. So we got here is the wiring. It plugs right into the truck. It plugs into the thing. You got a little, so if you want to pull your SD card out, you can put it in there. You got a little trim tool. This looks like, I don't know what this is. And this will be the, let me pull all this out, hang on. Okay, I'm a little confused, but you know, that's my life, if you guys know me. So this is what came in the package. So this is what I showed you earlier. Here's the wiring. You got a little USB to USB-C or whatever it's called. You got a trim tool to take your pack thing off. You have whatever this thing is. I don't know why they sent this to me. It must be something extra they sent me from my phone. So that's kind of cool. I'll actually use that. Some instructions. How to use this bracket. Who cares? And then here's the main piece here. So this is going to replace your factory behind your rear view mirror. And there's the camera. It's got an SD card already in it, if you can see that. And you get little buttons. And then you have the camera, which you need to pull that blue thing off or you're not going to see anything but blue. And then here's the underneath. Here's the wire that's going to go to your camera. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to pull that piece off. You're going to change the wiring, and then you're going to have this pigtail. And that pigtail is going to plug right into this right there. And then this plugs into the wire. So, further ado, like I said, this make a great Christmas gift for somebody. And like I said, they make them for Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Nissan, Toyota, of course. So, Honda. Just go on their website. Like I said, I'll put the website in the description. And most importantly, you can get 10% off. Use Bearfoot 10, B-E-A-R-F-O-O-T 10, and you get 10% off. So that's really cool. So hey, who doesn't need a little bit more money in the holidays? Okay. So I'll be right back and we'll start this install. It should only take about 10 minutes. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so this is going to be how to install it. So I put you up on my sunroof, so hopefully you can see this. So basically what you do, you got to slide this forward, and it slides right out. Now remember, when you do this, see if I can show these to you. You got to save these 2 little orange things because you're going to take them off and put them on the other thing, which I'm going to do that off camera, but it's really easy. And don't break them. So make sure you've saved those. And that's what it looks like. And it's The other one's going to go right back there where it was. So I'll be right back. So basically this is what they look like. Two little orange things here after I get them all. Now let me show you where you put them. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to slide them in here. Now they're going to go this way. I'm sorry. So you're going to slide them in and they'll click right in place. See? Just like that. And you got another one on the other side. And that's it. See? Make sure you save those. Now what you're going to do is you're going to unplug this gray thing. Hopefully you can see that. But just unplug that. And this is where your pigtail wire comes in that came with your box. See? So you're going to plug this into this end. And figure out which way it goes. Just like that. Then you're going to take the new white one and it's going to plug in where the other one was. So see, here it clicks. So now you have power. So there's your little thing it goes with. These are going to plug together. Now don't forget, because I've done this, make sure you take this blue thing off. This is a good time to do it. Okay? So this is where it gets a little, not really tricky, but so you got a little notch here and a little notch there. So make sure you line these up. And it just pushes in, just like that. Now, here's the tricky part. You gotta stuff all this up. Stuff it all. Stuff. And then you gotta slide it all back together. Okay, I'm gonna have to get closer here. There you go. It's on there. See, that wasn't so bad. You just seen it in real time. Okay, let me show you a close-up view of it. So there's what it looks like. It's that simple. There's your SD card right there. If you can see it. It's that simple. Just like factory, dude. Just that easy. And this is from the passenger side. So you won't see it as much from the driver's side. So you see how easy that was. I'm looking at no wires. You don't have to worry about it. You turn it on, turn it off. If anything happens, you just pull out that SD card. And there is an app. You need to go FITCAMX on your phone and download the app if you want to see any of the footage or make sure it's working and all that stuff. So there you go. It's that easy, guys. And like I said, it's less than 200 bucks. I mean, it's like 160 bucks. And you get 10% off using Bearfoot 10, BEARFOOT 10. So don't forget, great Christmas gift. Thanks, guys. And we will get back to some camping and our next videos. Thank you, everyone, for getting me over the 4,000 subscriber hump. Now you need to help me get over the 5,000 subscriber hump. Thanks, guys. You guys been great, and I appreciate all of you, every one of you, everybody who watches these videos, comments on these videos, puts a thumbs up, and shares my videos is awesome. I really appreciate all you guys. Thank you. And again, as we always say, we will see you around the campfire. Thanks, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Bye.